Right folks, just a quick vlog to bring you up to speed. We have been over in sunny Austria and the Czech Republic for the last couple of days.
Warm, hey?
Just not used to this. I mean, it's not overly warm, it's like 25 or 6 degrees, but just to come from home and see the problems that they're having with lack of rain. What's behind us, Gary? Not that we really need to tell everybody, but...
State the obvious. That's a baler. A Pottinger baler.
Yeah. We've basically spent yesterday in headquarters here at Austria where they make all their hay and forage equipment. Their production has increased so much they've actually hired a couple of halls, as they call it, up the road, and that's the baler production line. This is the new Impress range of balers. Just behind us there's 3 combis. I don't think any of these ones behind us will be coming to Ireland because they're all...
There's no fixed chambers there.
There are no fixed chambers here.
It's all varios.
Looking through the line, the baler looks very strong, looks to be put together in a great way. It has got lateral move in the pickup, has the knife in the top. But I suppose, look, we can't really say too much. We're going to see it in action over the next few weeks, particularly with the grassland in the UK and FTMTA. And I mean, we did see it baling, the vario chamber baling yesterday, but we can't even liken those conditions to home. They were ploughing in the same field and there was 0 moisture at the bottom of the furrow. So it has it all to prove, but from our point of view, it looks good, it looks strong.
Yeah, it looks strong, yeah.
It's heavy, so we'll just have to see what way it all comes through.
It's interesting.
Do you enjoy the trip, Guy?
Yeah, I did, very much so. It was,
what blew my mind about Pottinger, in my head, when you say Pottinger, I think wagons, I think Mech 6, and I think mowers.
It's the predominant products at home, like, isn't it?
But their massive factory today in the Czech Republic was tillage based, and the amount of tillage equipment these guys are making, trailed ploughs,
10-metre cultivators.
Look, watch this space. We're going to be doing a wee bit more with Pottinger this year, but it'll be very interesting to see how these balers go. But I tell you what, they're definitely producing them because there's a production line full of them there. So cooking, son. No sun cream. Need to get back into the mystery tour bus. Can we take a wee picture of the mystery tour bus? This is what Dermot from Pottinger hired. Come on. What are you at, lad?
The mystery machine.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?